Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, guys? What's going on? Crowdstyle here, and it is time for some of the game day. What's up? What's good? Do this thing. Happy Thursday. What's good? What is new, guys? All right, got some stuff to do today. Also, I don't know if there's new art yet on Drive. We have some new stuff. We're excited about it. Art. Not yet. Alright, so those of you who don't already know about our Kickstarter, it's a really cool thing, and we are going to be having a wonderfully great time playing with it. Wow. Let me try again. Those of you who don't know about our Kickstarter, we're going to be having an amazing Kickstarter with a bunch of backing rewards. We have 211 followers right now. Definitely consider being one of the greatest and latest people to want to back the project. Much appreciated if you do. Alright, so we've got a lot of feedback from playtesters yesterday, which is great. So let's do that. Back to menu. Alright, so first thing is up here. The endgame panel XP. I think we want this back to menu button. Needs to say continue. Let's try continue instead. He looks fine. Feeling fine. Let's black out unusable cards. Let's try that. How are we gonna do that? So what's the way to go about creating a blackout system? If I'm in here, I have a template card. What I could do, that's that. Okay. What I could do is I could just have inside my card template, literally have the exact card piece, then turn it gray or something. Let me see here. See what I can do. Card. Okay. The border. We do, however, need all the things that you see here, right? I want to turn this all let's go. So let's merge this down. Merge that down. And then let's go in and fill this white. It actually work. Then we'll just get the brush out. Beaver brush, yeah. Okay. That's good. Quartet. Quartata. You're gonna put this inside EBA Unity Projects Grimm Assets Sprites UI no close Card Darkener What's up, Chris? How you doing, bud? Good to see you. Now we can actually in the template open. New UI image. Card Darkener. Oh, it was CS5. CS5 is the one that I own, okay? Let's see. That might be okay. CS5 is the one that I own, and so and you haven't seen that. You haven't seen one of those in a hot minute, right? All right. Card Darkener. So if I went like this, here's the amount of light coming darkens it. Looks about right to me. All we do is turn it on and off. Boop, boop. There. Do that same one in the. I bet you it doesn't work in the spell. I bet you the spell template does not. No, it does not. Okay. I need to do the same thing in Photoshop. Where's the spell? That's not the spell. Card double spells. Found it. Okay. Mask. Merge down. Shift F5. Fill white. Oh wait. Ah. White. White. I just realized I should have did that for the mana as well. It's okay, you can be jealous about it. This is Card Darkener. I'll call this Card Darkener spell. I need to redo this one. Mana needs to be in there. You also anyone not paying until monthly, to be honest. Yeah, I mean I've had CS5 for a very long while. Sure. There we go. Now I can shift F5 this guy. I mean, it has almost all the features. It doesn't have, it just doesn't have the, you know, the generative fill one, all that stuff, you know. It's not missing that much stuff. It has most of the features though. Looks good. Red darkener. Okay. So let's paste this. Put it underneath, above top numbers. Okay. Darkener needs to be the right darkener. L. Save. Where's the back in the other one? Needs to be above it. We need a raycast off on it. Sure. Admittedly, if it's sub to Creative Cloud, it was when you were a student, so half price. That's actually pretty awesome. Okay, this is nice. Okay. Now it was like all the apps one too. Oh, that's awesome. Mega lucky there. Template. Template. Game object. Darkener. Okay. Toggle darkener. Right. Darkener dot set active, and it's going to be if the all apps one. Oh, nice. Toggle darkener is going to be set active based on the there. It's going to be based on the card. No. Manager dot. No, it'll be card dot owner deck dot mana this turn. Total mana? Maybe. Yes. Is greater than or equal to card dot mana cost. Mana cost. Cool. If it's less than. Check. So this toggle darkener needs to happen only on the starting turn, on the start of your turn. So after you draw a card, maybe. After deck template, deck manager. After the draw a card, draw a card here. 28 references to drawing cards. Holy shit. Is that in the stream? I have not lost any frames so far. It could just be you, Seth. It's a possibility. Okay, so Enter manager on new turn, right? Initialize new turn. Increase game turn number plus plus. Initialize new turn. For loop through Player deck. Cards in hand. Player deck. Cards in hand. I dot template dot darkener. Same thing for opponent deck. Okay. That should work. Try to set it. Can you compile, please? I literally have the song Peaches from the Mario Bros. Movie stuck in my head. I can't get it out. I can't get it out. It's not working. Don't know what to do. Help. Darkener. I'm gonna turn on something. Okay. Card Darkener. This guy. Okay. Let's see if it works. You not seen it? Oh my god, it was such a good movie. Such a good movie. Next level quality. It happens. Aha! That's not right. That's because... because mana needs to be... I only want it active if the mana is less than the mana cost. But the mana cost is 1. Oh, I'm so confused here. Okay. We need to call this more frequently than that. We need to call this every time that a card gets... When you update... Turn number? Wait, where's the mana for the player deck? On new turn? I found it! Okay. This isn't where this goes. Not where that goes. This goes in here. Found it. Right there. And instead of all this junk, then we've already drawn the card. Drawn the card? Oof. Words are hard. Yeah. We should be okay. Turn 1's wrong. Okay, it's good now. So, okay, so it's almost good. When you draw the card... Oh wait, Variable Darkener or Template has not been assigned. What you talking about? What you talking about? Darkener. Yeah. Darkener. Hasn't been assigned my butt. Okay, so... Apparently... Doesn't like it. Looks fine to me. Okay, so... Variable Darkener template on this. Odd stuff, but it was. Okay, so I have to get rid of that in here. Instead, it goes inside here. Honestly, whenever the starting amount per turn. So I think I should set that up too. Right? Okay. Starting mana this turn. Okay. Excuse me. Mana. Mana grade 0. Mana. No. Ah. Mana this turn. Or minus mana this turn. Odd. Okay. Draw a card. On new turn. Start of mana this turn equals. And this turn. Sick. Now, instead of doing this inside here, we literally can do this when a card is drawn. Right? No, that needs to happen in there still. But then draw a card. Also, okay, updating the game board is where this has to happen. 2B. Not looking at the right spot. In the update game board. This guy. Draw a card. Update game board. Yeah, it's this. Oh, update display. It's definitely okay. Found it. I found where it needs to be. We're gonna update display. I have figured it out. Okay, so update display. Not inspect card. Okay. Load breakout, Karen, variant sprite. Mana cost. Cost override. Mana cost to string. Gotta be right in this area. Maybe. Maybe not. Okay, so not there. Where am I looking for? There's the so it's not the update display. It is the I guess it is in the game board. Alright, it's here. Player deck. Okay. Darkener only matters if card that is in hand is false. Okay. Okay. Then this is not total mana. It is starting mana this turn. Should work. Did I save everything? Yeah, I'll save it. Nice. Looks good. Why? Lost one mana this turn. Not even here? Forgot to assign the next darker number for when we do a card draw? Where is it? Game. Your hand. Mind meld. Template? What the heck going on here? Why is there no dust kick and why is there no darkener? Heck's that about? Mind meld. Mind meld. Template. Well, that's weird. It's not using the. It's not using the spell template. It should be. It's odd. I can fix that. Very weird. Let's go like this, and we'll drag in drag us in a spell. That's odd. Template. Do I need to set up anything else? I don't think I do. You see how badly I just screwed this up. Like, why aren't these using the template? None of these are using the template. Template. And nothing else is attached. Just the template. Okay, so I need to literally go through and I just need to reattach. Swap this out for the actual template, basically, is what I'm getting out of that. This is a lot of extra work. That's fun. So no whatever. Why is that a thing? Is that a thing here? No. Thing here? No. So weird. Okay. Well, let's see what's going on. So 7 soldier template is fine, which means that 7 soldier has a dust kick. Their template is good. Barriers is not good. Very weird. The newer card. Mildly confused about why it's doing that. Sure. Oh. Very weird. This is gonna take forever. I need a second window, a second project window. A tab. We will go inside prefabs and we will lock. Okay. This is going to be a lot of extra work that I just found out from nowhere. That explains the dust kick not always working. A butt ton of work to get it to work. That one's fine. That one's not. So weird. Like now I'm curious, like how many are not cooperating, right? Beetle's not even cooperating. So this is an issue in the actual way the card is built, I guess? Some kind of somehow? Very weird. Beggar Woman is fine. Blight Burst is good. Bluebeard is not. No. Okay. Blood Pact? First. For a musician, for Rose. Dude, why are half of these cards okay and half of them not okay? It's such a weird issue that I'm struggling with. I don't understand why, like, half the cards, especially some of the newer cards, are just not working right. They're just not in the system correctly. I find it so odd. Like, Catherine? Really? Okay. Leader's fine, Cinderella's fine. However, Elsie is not. It's like, you guys see this was weird too, right? It's not just me. Yeah. That one's fine too, yeah. The issue? So the issue is that there are some cards that have this template. This template prefab. So when I make an update in the template prefab, it updates every single card. Right? Like what, and the template is just something that exists, whether it's a mana image or whether it's a card border or this darkener object that I can turn on and off among all the items, right? Stuff like that. However, some of these objects, so Corpse Bride is fine. Crab, the template's not available. The template is a weird version of it and not the actual template itself. So I literally have to go through and drag the new template, the original template in and reattach it. And I don't know why that's happening. But it explains why sometimes cards don't have a dust kick. And it explains why sometimes cards don't darken themselves. So weird. Very weird. Not what I expected to be doing this morning. That's for sure. Like this one too. Just so odd. I miss Unity prefabs. It has something to do. I don't know. I like Unity prefabs. I think they're wonderful. I just sometimes things just kind of suck. In other good news, we have PlayFab in the game now. We have the guy who is helping us for the backend development. Was working with him a little bit yesterday to try to get logins working and how to get like users to be created. And so I think we're getting there. I think it's really cool. We're using PlayFab for it, which seems to be promising. See, there's another one. So odd. Because the goal is to get a sign up on the website live by Play NYC and a sign up system in the game. So if you play the demo, you can create an account. Close to getting the trailer done? No, because I was trying to record content for it in the full screen of the game, and there honestly there were quite a few bugs that were pretty obvious, and and when I was recording on Streamlabs, it was choppy. I don't know why it was choppy. Like a game like this shouldn't be choppy, right? So, however, Courtney got a chance to. Don't place. Courtney got a chance to actually go in and record about an hour and a half of content on her side. That was cool. The game plays great. It just has some overarching bugs. Like there's a bug involved with Snow White, or no, with Cinderella's stepmother. For some reason. These say template card. Catherine. Makes sense to make sure they're not visible. Yeah, no. Reducing the amount of bugs in it is pretty important, I'd say. That just says template. It does. Okay, so I can see which ones are broken just by seeing it here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's gonna be a while. Okay. But now I can see which ones are the busted ones, which is cool. Trina. Trina's broke, busted, and disgusted. How about that? I think it's also breaking stuff too. I think like not having this in instantly was breaking stuff, which is wild. All right. Burn. I'm sure there's an easier way to do this, but you know, it is what it is. Rothschild. Good old Freddy. General Cavalli, okay. This is not how I expected this morning to go, to be completely fair. It has nothing to do with you guys at all. It's just I didn't expect that I was going to be working on this at all. I was going to be fixing bugs to be able to get a trailer ready. And this is fixing bugs, but this is like next level fixing. Code. These are all newer cards. Busted. Is what it is. Truth. I mean, it had to get done at some point, right? Alright, Godmother Toad. See, and those were all fine. Up until Air Cross, which is also a new card. It may or may not be a play on my last name. Okay, so Illusionary Gambit is a problem. Destiny. Swabians are. Arena. This one. Noist. Noist. He's being so noticed. Okay. Lazy Harry is an issue too, isn't it? Yeah. What about Lean Lisa? Lean Lisa Lean. Okay. Cool. Then that one. Arts. No. Yes. Okay. Native Brackle and Marley. Native Brackle and Marley Swallian. It's just gonna feel smoother if this has no problems, right? I'm feeling that if we don't have any issues, because I might have been trying to find the dust kick and it couldn't find it, so that's why cards weren't turning over. Which doesn't make any sense because the dust kick doesn't hit until after that U-tween, but I don't actually know that answer. I'm just hoping it's going to be that way. Just hoping. Master shelves. Alright. In the witch. Okay. Mystic Resonance, Nightfall, and then Gale Sorceress of these 4. It's a good thing Mystic Resonance is an actual cool card. We don't have many super cool cards. Mystic Resonance is absolutely a really cool card. What does it do, you ask? I'll tell you. You draw a card, and then you get to add copies of that card to your hand until your hand is full. Pretty strong. What do you say so myself? We got Nightingale. These two. Nullify and Old Rick. No, Old Rick Rank and Old Sultan. Good old Rick Rank. Rinky Ranky. Second guys. All right. I liked it, like, literally the issue. The issue was that there was one that was not assigned, and I went, I'm just gonna go and redo the ball. Wow. That smells good. Shoulder eyes. Because of all the work I just did. The body cannot handle regular basic workloads. Actually, I might have found out that my mother is the reason why I am the way I am when it comes to inconsistent work ethic. I found out she used to write a novel when she didn't have clients in her office at work. Which means that she was not working at work, which is exactly what I used to do when I would be at work. Kind of checks out now, doesn't it? Alright, so it's kind of funny. Our bridegroom is done. Shadows of Chaos. It's HDMI? Yeah, it is. It is HDMI. That's funny. There we go. Sweetheart Roland. Drop that card. Oh, eat. Okay. Emblem. E. Where is Sweetheart? Aha! Berengian Queen. Off with her head. Something. Okay. This guy. Bitely. Beatly? Bitely? I don't know how to say it. It's gotta be Bitely Swabian. The V's gotta be a B sound, right? It's gotta be. White Servant, Wizard Fixer. That's two. Also, my 7-year-old's done school. My 4-year-old still has to go to preschool for a couple more days. And then camp starts the next week. Now I've got a 7-year-old home. And thankfully she doesn't need to be entertained, which is amazing. Okay, so let me scroll through these real fast again to make sure I'm not missing any. Spell. Spell. Also worried that I put the card template on the wrong one, and the spell template on the wrong one sometimes. I hope it did not. I hope I did not do that. Don't worry, guys. Just 140 things to go through. Yay. Okay, that might resolve 800 of the problems we had. Right? Well, now we're gonna not have any, we won't have any dust kick errors, that's for sure. And we won't have any darkener errors. It's just gonna work now. It's just gonna work. I think. Hey, it works. Looks like a card you can't use. Draw cards, show the ones that are available to play. Hey! Is it too dark? Is that not dark enough? It's pretty dark. Ooh, double water next. Double water next shuffle. Swap 2 cards in your opponent's hand with 2 cards in your deck. Okay. Shoot. Just give them some random cards. It's probably not a good thing. Or just having Mother Malcho brought them to 0, huh? Alright. Fury and a rat. So Fury Witch. Rat. White Shroud did not activate its ability. Oh, it did. It killed Mother Malcho. I need to make sure that when their health hits 0, their total health hits 0. That's for sure. Whoa. That was a mess, whatever that was. Okay. So, Master Souls? No. Giant. Giant for the win! Uh-oh. Simple did. How did that go? How do you play that? What? Okay. I appreciate that I leveled up both of my spells. So, it looks good. It looks like a fixed issue. Let me go in here and do. Okay, some cards were not having dust appear. And this to batch complete. Also, dark and visible cards. Okay. Thuringian Realm. It gets weird. Thuringian If the realm is during a forest and turn number is 4. Revealing realms occur. Okay. This is the current issue, right? We need to pick new realms. Right? So we can do turns back a realm SO. So realm SO realm R1 equals pick random realm. Okay. Okay. 2, 3. Okay. Then we can literally just do all POIs 0 current realm equals R1 R1 R2 R3, right? And then we do that for all of these. We do that inside. Are we in a coroutine, right? A coroutine? I think we are. So let's do yield new yield return new wait for seconds. Wait for in between things. Nice. Only one occurring true. We're waiting for this to finish, and it never finishes. So that. Yo, what's up, Shiny? How you doing, bud? Good to see you. So the third game farce should be fixed. Should is the keyword, and we'll see what happens. And yeah, we also have a Kickstarter happening too for one of our games that we for this game that we're developing right now. Not just for one of them, for this actual one. Transform all realms to random ones. Let's mind meld. I got a peasant. All cards in my hand +1. They're kind of busy? A little bit. Not a big deal though. I don't mind being busy. It's some good fun. Let's go like that, that, and I think we're gonna kill those off. Ooh, it's gonna kill the water next also. Sick. Okay, so after turn 4, right? So we'll play Godmother Toad, end turn. Post and Boots, Faithful Henry, Torture Chamber. Did not change any of the other ones. Also, it didn't update it here either. Okay. Wait, hold on. So, reveal realm info. How does this work? So current realm is pick random realm. Reveal realm info, activate realm channel step. Okay, so we pick the realm. Right? Thuringian Forest, turn 4. Right? Right. Okay. Revealing realm is occurring. Pick the realms. This is not going to be R1, R2, R3. It's going to be... not pick random realm, it's pick exact realm based on... This is this guy. Pick exact realm after we select a random realm. Right? Pick random realm, return all usable realms I. Okay. So it is pick random realm, right? And then like, why is this not picking each of them to be new location? How does Wise Old Woman work? Wise Old Woman. How do you work? This realm, current realm, pick random realm. It's literally super easy. And it's just not working here, right? So what I guess we should do is we should make realm 1 equal R1 dot R-lane placer. I guess we can do that. 2, 3. And this is realm manager dot realm manager dot pick exact realm, and it's going to be realm 1, right? Yes, that's the new way to do this. And then we activate it. So we've selected it. We've decided to activate it. And we reveal each one. That doesn't feel right either. Doesn't feel right either. Something's happening here. Stumbling Crypt. Forest. Ooh. Thanks for the Snow White. Appreciate it. Atlantica. Matter though. Turn 4, you say? Turn 4. Okay. Turn 1, run 2, run 3. So it has all the information we could possibly need. Right? Let's just talking cat. See what happens. So, Magic Mirror. The Ringing Forest Frog Kingdom. It didn't update them. They didn't get updated. Very confused. Very confused. All POIs I, realm info. Update realm art. Show me the information for everything here. Right? Unseen, make it gray. Other. Inspect. Local scale. Okay, if it's not unseen, is inspect. Not unseen. Feeling realm on current is false. Okay, I see the issue there. That the Thuringian thing has this revealing realm occurring thing happening. I do not understand why this is being so difficult. It should just be in here, right? It should just be I current realm equals pick random realm. Like this, all it should be. This doesn't need to be there. That doesn't need to be there. None of that needs to be there. I don't think I understand. Okay. So activate realm art. Not unseen. We can have this reveal run info. Can be start game. Can be, let's see here. You can do bool start turn or bool new realm or initial realm equals true. And then inside here we do initial realm. Update realm art. Do bool initial realm equals true. If initial realm. Okay. Now it doesn't turn it off. Oh, I'm ready to turn it off. Right? So now I can reveal realm info. I can say false. Then I can have revealing realm occurring here. All POIs J. Oh my goodness, are you kidding me? Is that really what the entire issue was? Stop it. Stop it. Oh, I freaking hate I hate everything to do with C# sometimes. Oh my god, that's so dumb. That's so dumb. All of that just to get this working, and it was in the wrong for loop. It was an embedded for loop, and I had the wrong variable here, because this is all POIs J. Oh, unreal. Oh, so unreal. Okay. Oh, man. Man! Okay, it works great now. Now it's flawless. Marbon and Faros is perfect. Move on, pretend it never happened. Unbelievable. Can't believe you've done this. Okay. Damn. Really? Really, Crass? Pretend it never happened. Just pretend it never happened. These broke. Why? Fill your hand with random cards. There we go. When you fill your hand with random cards, so that card needs to be added and darkened. If a card gets added to your hand, it needs to be darkened. If it needs to be darkened, you know what I mean? Like it just needs it. If it just needs it, it needs it. And right now, it needs it. Okay. Master Thief. Sick. Turns. So I have double mana this turn. I don't know why. I will Alolera. Absolutely. Nice pill. Oh, look, it just worked! Unbelievable. Wait, there's. There's no way that was the error. This error. This freaking realm is a disaster. Right. Well, we fixed the. Oh my goodness! I can't believe we fixed that. I can't believe we fixed that. Thuringian Forest being a button. It's fixed though. Okay. What else are we doing? What else is happening right now? Give Town Mouse flavor text. That's easy. That's easy. Done. Oh, hey, Corky Man. Alright. Don't drag cards. Oh, path to... Okay, wait. If we have a card in our hand, don't activate other cards. Enter a card. Wait. Is inspect card not true if it's in game or S? Okay. If UI manager dot where does this work? This happens inside here, right? Possible card to detach. Selected card. Oh, I do not know exactly how this works. Or I don't remember how it works 100%. So this might work. So if I hover over a card, it becomes the possible card to detach. And then if I click it, it becomes a selected card. So okay, so if selected card is not null. Got it. So selected card is not null. It is not equal to null. Return. Just, you know. Selected card is not null, and UI manager selected card is not equal to this. Then return. This not transfer. Cool. Now that shouldn't be a thing. You now should not be able to... no other card should get in the way. I'm basically saying. Right? Nice. It's wonderful. Very happy about that. Dragging a card no longer makes other cards scale and get in the way. Signed me. Path 2 shouldn't be around that already exists. Where's path 2? Path 2. Okay. Pick random realm. I think we need a thing from the... Okay. Return instance all usable realms I. Double realms are random. Pick random realm. Okay. While okay. So we have the int random. We need the available realms random. Realm names? Okay. So we need realm name. Pick realm. Equals random. Right? While all game term manager. No. While picked realm equals. Hold on. Game term manager realm 1 equals picked realm. Okay. Do this again. Okay. Same thing on 2 and 3. Cool. Okay. Oh, Actually, this needs to be or. That way it runs it all in the same while, not 3 different ones. There we go. Nice. Okay. So realm 2, 1, 2, or 3, randomly put around that range. And when we pick it, we're good. That should not be a thing anymore, basically. Right? Or I guess this should not be realm 1, it should be all POIs 0 dot current realm dot place. POIs 2, POIs. There we go. That way we guarantee that it's the right the right one that it gets picked. Alright, so path 2 is now fixed. Alright guys. With that, we got some good stuff done today. A lot of fixes. Yo, what's up, Giant Renegade? Check out that Kickstarter. We also have a community Discord. Hold on. Grimm has a community Discord now too. Wait for it. This. Labs. You support 100%. I appreciate that. Thanks, buddy. We're looking to have a lot of cool stuff. We actually. Oh, you want to see a teaser? You want to see a teaser about what all backers are gonna get? No matter what you get, or no matter what you end up doing, or supporting or whatever, all backers are going to get this. You're getting a 4-pack of special Kickstarter backer cards. Rapunzel, Corpse Bride, Snow White, and the Wolf in a biker gang variant. So you can switch your art out for those cards with biker gang versions of them. So I think that's badass. Yeah. That's what's good. Oh, you get. Oh my God, you didn't see it. There we go. Now you can see it. There you go. Do at least a $60 bundle. Nice. Well, I appreciate that. You'll get $60 bundle. You'll get quite a lot of stuff too out of it because we're doing a lot of in-game currency, a lot of premium currency based on if you back or not, or what tier you back and everything like that. Yeah. So you get all 4 of these cards, no matter what amount you back. I think it's super cool. Like, look at this. The detail in this is awesome. Like, Corpse Bride, it's got like her. You can see. Yeah, it looks like Full Throttle. That's intentional. That's intentional. It's a homage to Double Fine Adventures, and the goal was to make it look like they're in the middle of Arizona kind of thing. Yeah, LucasArts style games. Yeah. Got the platinum to that solid game. Nice. Yeah, no, full throttle is wonderful. Peanut Power, what's up, dude? How you doing? I'm doing great. Good to see it. So that's the backer reward. CCG collectible card game. Is a collectible card game. Similar to Hearthstone, Magic the Gathering, Marvel Snap. Basically means that you cannot trade with other people. The difference between CCG and TCG, you can take the physical card and trade somebody for a new one, and they have inherent value. A collectible card game, you play the game and collect cards. Like 500 on Snap, you have 1,500 hours. So, this is similar to Snap. Here, I'll show you the game real quick. It's similar to Snap, but more complex. Okay? Take its place because it's trading words, pay to win. Yeah, it is trading towards pay to win. So this is not pay to win. It'll have cosmetic variants. Some of the mechanics that exist inside Snap are just good mechanics, so we're taking them. But we also have things in the game. So we have 3 different realms that exist. The game is landscape, so it looks good on streams and everything like that, right? Everything is Brothers Grimm, right? Everything is a character from Brothers Grimm. And we have a couple things in the game that are different, right? So I'll show you. So they're not just characters. We have a system over here called a time mechanic, a time shift mechanic. You can go through and you can literally change the game from day to night and night back to day with a ability called time shift. That affects other cards that are time shift. There's also a little health stat. This green health stat over here too. So if a card's health goes to 0, their attack goes to 0 also. You acquire cards by playing the game, so you have a collection level. No, I'm totally fine with that. So Nightingale Castle changed both of your cards to a Nightingale. Here's something that's big. This is the big difference between Snap and us. Dark Omen, cards of this realm. This is a spell. The spell has no attack power and no health. Cards of this realm get -1 attack power, -1 health. If you play a Dark Omen somewhere, and cards only have 1 health, they're going to turn red because you've killed them. They now have 0 attack power. Those cards are now dead. So now you can literally mind fuck people and play cards that do damage to other cards to reset values at that area, right? You can also buff cards' health. You can do a lot of stuff against AI. Right now, AI, we have, we are starting to work on network. We are starting to work on the back-end system for login. We're starting to work on all that stuff. But right now, it's at least I've coded AI to work very, very well, and sometimes it kicks your butt. Sometimes it really does. So, but yes, so everything is a story from this book. Everything exists in this book. Who did the art? We have a team of 10 people in the game. We have 8 artists. None of it's outsourced. They actually are part of the team. Static City. This is Static City's largest game ever. Bigger than Chronicle Unit 8. Bigger than Life and Debt. This is a huge game. We're also launching the game with if you remember Hearthstone's draft system, launching the game with that as well. So we're gonna have a draft system where you can pay like $2 or whatever, and draft 20 cards and then build a 14-card deck. Do they have a Twitter? Who's they? The artists or my studio? So we have Static City Games as a Twitter account as well. So we have cards like the Giant. We have Snow White. Not your studio? Well, that's gonna change, isn't it? So let's see. If I play Snow White, I'm already guaranteed to win in both of these locations. I don't need to try that. Actually, I'm gonna play the Giant here and just win all 3. Oh, maybe not. Ooh, Thrushbeard. Okay. So similar win system. You have to win 2 or 3 locations. People are familiar with that, so we're not, removing that. You level up 2 cards. 2 cards get 1 experience or 100 experience. We're not sure what the number is going to be. At the end of a match, you can then go to the collection screen. Collection screen sideways because progression from left to right feels better than up to down. And yeah, this is the game. This is the game. The game is going to be completely free to play, and then we will have founders packs, and we will have other stuff, and we're going to have a shop in the game because if the game's free to play, we have to make money somehow. But you'll be able to unlock variants with in-game tokens. So with your in-game gold, you'll be able to, if you have enough. So the gold will be kind of high for that, but if you have enough, you can unlock variants with in-game currency instead of premium. It just takes you longer. Got in the card game CCGs, this is exciting. What are red jewels? Gems. They're the Marvel Snap Gold. So you would pay gems to get into the arena mode. You'd pay gems to get into... You can pay gems to increase your card's level faster if you wanted to. You can pay gems, but it doesn't, you know, it doesn't do anything. It's just cosmetic. Because we have a silver border, a gold border, and a holographic border. Gems earned, gold ball. Yeah, that's right. So gems are purchased, and then gold is earned by, or gold coins is earned by playing matches. So after, you know, after each match you'll get gold. Or I guess we're gonna call them coins, but yeah. That's the game. Excuse me. The collection screen is the collection screen is similar in a way to Marvel Snap, but better. Much easier to read it all, right? And it's not, you know, it's not on a tiny little screen. How does leveling system work? You level by playing and winning? You level by playing. Just by playing a game. You have to play at least 4 turns in a game to get experience. Our list is a working list. There's currently 140 cards in the game, and there's about 70 variants currently. So there's 140 basic cards in the game. Some of the art is literally phenomenal. Here, let me show you. Let me go like this. Let's cheat real fast. Morning, girls. License? No. This is all World of Grimm. The Grimm fairy tales are all public domain. All public domain. As long as we don't have anything look like Disney for some of the characters, then we don't have to worry about it, right? Because Snow White is not a Disney character; it's a World of Grimm character. So this Snow White looks nothing. That looks nothing like regular Snow White. Would help to buy the book first. It's never a bad thing. So look, so we have some stuff in here. Like we have an artist that does chibi style characters. We have another artist that is doing some cyberpunk, which looks amazing. Right, so you can buy that cyberpunk variant of the Handless Maiden. You know, we have a pixel artist. Right. We have... Oh, here's another cyberpunk. This is the newest cyberpunk. The Matt Damon movie? Yeah, no. It's totally normal. The Matt Damon movie is great, actually. You're talking about Grimm, right? Or Brothers Grimm, the movie? That movie has some characters in it. The Thuringian Queen is part of this game. The... Heracross is part of this game. What else? Who else is in this? General Cavaldi with a different spelling. Most of the characters are in the fairy tales. Most of them. When I say most, I mean like we took a little bit of liberty, for instance, in the name of like Prince Ivan is the frog prince when he gets kissed on the lips. Right? So we took a liberty in giving him the name Ivan because calling him Prince Frog King was weird. Or Prince used to be Frog, right? Like, how do variants work? Variants they work extremely similar except for you. So if you want this variant, you'll be able to find them in the shop by their name, by the artist's name, or going to the shop and there'll be 6 to 8 that are, maybe we'll do like 8 that are always available every day that rotate, and you can buy them with gems or in-game currency. If you have enough in-game currency, you can buy the variant without having to spend money. So, yeah, that's the game. Idea about the frog into the price made me think could be an upgrade thing. Oh, frog into the prince? Yeah, well, I mean, we have the frog king as well, right? And then we have Prince Ivan. We have a Godmother Toad, which is from the Grimm movie, right? Then we have things like the Robber Bridegroom, which is a really dark story. That card is just really powerful. But we have one artist who's done an amazing amount of work for us. Maximino. This is all of his pieces that he's made so far, and they're phenomenal. Like the Snow Queen in his version, he's like a comic book artist, right? Rapunzel. That Cinderella looks completely different than regular Cinderella, right? Like that's his Prince Charming. It's a cool Prince Charming, right? Sleeping Beauty's pretty awesome too. Looks like Slay the Spire. His style looks like Slay the Spire. And then we have this guy whose pieces look just phenomenal. That's Red Riding Hood now, right? That's his Red Riding Hood. We have the wolf, right? Like these pieces are just unreal. This is his newest one, Snake Prince. We have let's see, who's another artist that we have? Let's see. He did. Who did he make? He made shit. He made. Well, he made Frau Trude right now, which is basically this girl, right? Which is like a 3-sentence story about this lady who makes people come into her house and then removes them from existence, kind of thing. And then he just submitted this one for feedback. This is the variant of this card. So this is the original, and here's the variant. So, just completely different. Sea of Thieves vibe, right? I love that. Do we have a projected release, or does it depend on Kickstarter? It is depending on Kickstarter, so that we can make things move faster. Projected release is early 2024 with a closed beta, with a public beta in Q4 of 23. You'll be able to play a demo of the game. That'll just be against AI, but it feels like you're against people. That'll be a thing. As soon as the Kickstarter goes live, we're looking in the next 1 to 2 weeks for the Kickstarter to go live. And yeah, I mean, we're waiting on the trailer, and when the trailer's done, it's gonna be awesome. And we're gonna rock this thing. Looking for testers? You can hang out in the Discord. Definitely, that's a hard look. We appreciate all the feedback. Here's the World of Grimm. Here's the World of Grimm Discord channel. Oh, you are? Sick. Okay. I'll post it again just in case anyone else missed it. The World of Grimm Discord channel is sick. And then that's about it. Like, if you back on Kickstarter, you get closed beta after a certain amount of backing amount. And yeah, maybe it wasn't a light heart to keep track. You're good, man. No worries. Oh, you can change that now, can't you? But with that, it's the end of the stream. I gotta get the kid ready for school. We got one kid that needs to go to school. Sorry that I keep touching my face. My nose is bothering me. All right, so let's go raid somebody. Live again tomorrow, same time, same place. Gonna keep working on and trucking away, getting this stuff done. Let's see who's live on the internet. Let's go over to... We're gonna go raid Hello Comics. Hello Comics is an amazing game developer, but he's making some music right now for another person. Tell all my friends we're all on the Snap right now doing private rooms and stuff. Dude, please do. I would super appreciate that, especially if you got everybody to go follow the Kickstarter. It would be super neat. This is going to... Honestly, Marvel Snap is great,
But we're taking a lot of things that are good in Marvel Snap and tweaking them, making them better. But we're also taking things in Marvel Snap that we don't like, that make it feel like a grind, and trying to remove the grind. That's the biggest thing, right? Like playing the game and leveling up and collecting cards is cool, but at one point in Snap, it gets so... it becomes a drag to try to get everything, right? So we're trying to remove that. So yeah, so let's raid Hello Comics. And until next time, guys, I love you, and I'll see you soon. If I had the power to do what you are, hey, just a regular guy, man. I'll talk to you soon. Have a good one, Johnny. Peace out.